जहाँ हम खड़े हैं, we are at here, we are at this place.
अगवा तो नहीं कर रहे हो ना मेरे को? अगवा।
So it's 8 o'clock. We finally woke up and we are out here to roam around. Don't know what we will be roaming around. But our hotel is a very good place. Very pretty place.
आई क्या पूछा कि मैं?
You can see.
Guys, finally we are at our destination that we have planned for last 11 months. So
Should I-
the charm of this place is like, oh my god, it's so attractive. Every shop, every single shop, coffee shop, every restaurant, bars, everything is
Yes.
so attractive.
That is so
Places over here are so clean and everything, like, oh my god. As you
Hartaro.
can see, this is the church near our hotel. Very pretty place. We are at Old Quarter area of Hanoi, which is a tourist hub.
We are almost at the end of our first day. It's 11 in the night PM. અને અહીંયા હમણાં વોક કરી રહ્યા છે. બહુ મસ્ત જગ્યા છે. હનોઈમાં ડેફિનેટલી ટાઈમ આપવા લાયક જગ્યા છે. Pretty clean still.
Still pretty clean.
ફૂડ ને એના બધા માટે સરસ છે. પ્લેસ બહુ પ્રિટી છે. We are at Prangan. Boat ride. And finally વરસાદ બંધ થયો છે. It's a bit good. એ વરસાદ બંધ થયો. Thank you. We are in Prangan Cave and this is such a
Cave route number 3.
three. This is such a good view full of caves and this is something that you experience as kari sakai. No photo, video or words can describe it.
Oh tunnel. Oh my god. It's like this much height.
We are almost at the end of the Prangan
Boat ride.
and Jet was speaking something, so I started recording.
I was saying like that's my first ever international trip,
And
and how can this be so unrealistic?
it is really
It is
beautiful.
the same location where the Kong Skull Island was shoot, and I'm just waiting for Kong to appear.
He is the Kong.
Yes. What?
I am the king, you are the Kong.
तुम वो एक पूछ वाली छिपकली कॉन्ग स्कल आइलैंड की विलन.
અને તમે આઈસ એજમાં પેલું હોય છે ને પેલું એ જ.
એવું ગંધારું. સામને देखो, सामने करो.
દિલ में हुई हलचल. Vietnam is a place we all should definitely visit once because videos and photos and what all is written does not do the justice of what it actually is. This is beautiful.
Where are we, Bubu?
We are at our stay right now and we just discovered something after staying for so long. So there's a pond right here, a lotus pond. You can see it at the back.
What is this? इतने सारे कमल. Look at this lotus pond. it has not fully bloomed, but in the season, like this bowl pond will be full of lotus. You can see 3 varieties of
Bloom lotus. Bloom wala lotus.
ye lotus nahi.
Bloom
This is
wala lotus.
nice. There are 3 varieties of colors, like you can see lavender, that is white, and this is peach color, and ये क्या है? What is this? ये इंसान है, ये इंसान है,
Sao insan. Sao.
ये इंसान है,
Sao.
इंसान देख रहे हो? See the background. Oh my god, this is our property which we are exploring right now, and we are feeling like a single day booking is not enough to enjoy this location. फिर से इंसान आ गया, देखो बीच में. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है इंसान.
Look at this. Look at this. Can you just believe even if this is real? Oh, માનવામાં આવે કે આ વસ્તુ આખું સાચું છે. Is this not heaven? Then what it is? This is heaven. Yes. In between nature, mand dhoop, badal, and so much more. So this is my new husband. I mean, मतलब पहली बार कहा मैंने ऐसे नया पति बना है, ऐसा नया पति बना है. I meant to say it that way. ये मेरे नए पति बने हैं.
न्यू हस्बैंड.
ये मेरे नए पति देव
लड़की
है.
पगला गई.
एंड ये हमारा स्टे. यस, ये हमारे स्टे का नाम है हेलिस होम. ये पति जो है मेरा, उसको ज़्यादा कैमरा के आगे आना पसंद नहीं है, पर वो ट्राई कर रहा है. वो थोड़ा सीख रहा है, थोड़ा नूब है. नूब मिलेनियल, उसको नूब का मतलब नहीं पता. एनीवेज, सो ये ब्यूटीफुल पहाड़ों के बीच ब्यूटीफुल नारी के साथ आप लोग एक्सप्लोर करते हुए लोटस पति बुशो कहती.
Stay.
यस,
That's our stay.
यस.
वो झोपड़ी में हम रहे हैं.
यस, झोपड़ी
बहुत ही खूबसूरत झोपड़ी.
जो पहाड़ों के बीच है. दिस आर नॉट एक्चुअली पहाड़ बट रॉक फॉर्मेशंस.
पहाड़ के रहने.
Definitely recommended. See you.
मैंने नहीं जाऊँ
और मिलेगा बुबू, और मिलेगा. उसको ये छोड़ के नहीं जाना. ये किसको छोड़ के जाना होगा पर ये वैसे भी. This place definitely recommended 10 out of 10. Actually 11 out of 10, 100 out of 10. Do visit once. If you are in Vietnam, if you are in Ninh Binh, take a stay here. Pretty close from Mua Caves and Trang An too, and Tam Kok too. It's actually kind of in the middle. You can rent a bike here and ta-da!
300 rupees for 1 kilometer.
साइकिल पे सस्ता छोड़ के महंगा फॉर द एक्सपीरियंस. इट्स फन दो.
Hello guys, so we are at the train street station Hanoi. Overhead of course, and you can see the charm.
Please don't.
Yes, you can have a drink here only. Don't go for a food. Try to search food from the different locations, but not here.
See? Like so close. It's close. It is so close. मुझे याद न मेरी आई किसी से, अब क्या कहना. I am the boss and he is the driver. I'm not saying it. I'm not. The Vietnamese culture is saying that way.
Yes, बराबर.
I didn't say it. है ना बब्बू, मैं बोली हूँ.
हम नहीं बोलते.
मैं नहीं बोली ऐसा. ऐसा तो हमको जिसने इसमें बिठाया ना उसने बोला. इसलिए मैं लेके बैठा है ये मैं बैठा है लेके. थोड़ा थोड़ा चलाता है पर उतना सारा नहीं चलाता जितना मेरा बब्बू चला रहा है. So it's the next morning and we are on the cruise at Halong Bay. So the update is that it's very 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 foggy right now. As you can see, there's fog and fog. It's currently 9:35.
8:30.
Sorry, 8:35. So sorry. That was for show. Okay, I didn't read the time. I know how to read time. This is my husband, as you have seen him every day, but I still like to call him my husband, so I call him husband. He makes this kind of faces, I don't know why, but it's fine. He's my husband, can't do anything about that now. By the way, we missed our boat for the dark and light caves because of him. He was sleeping like anything. I woke him up so many times, but he didn't wake up on time. That's why we were late for breakfast and then we missed our bus. But it's okay. We are still enjoying here. I got to record so many videos. I got to record dances. I got quality time with him. So it's a win-win situation for me. It doesn't matter anyways because we saw similar kind of caves at Trangan. Yes, Ninbi, Trangan. That's a must visit. And it's a mixture of languages. This vlog, Hindi, Gujarati, English, everything mixed up because we like to explore languages.
Only 3 languages.
Yeah. Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. 4th language. 안녕하세요. Language. Ni hao. 6th language.
Amigos.
Hola. 7th language.
यार तीन ही जाने.
That's a local language, but it's a language. So guys, this beautiful place, do come visit once. This is which cruise? Paradise Cruise?
Majestic Prime.
Majestic Prime Cruise
By Premier Group.
Definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10.
5-star cruise.
Yes, they made us feel like we are such noble
Royal.
persons, such royalty in everything, food, then the services, the rooms, everything. 10 out of 10. So that's all for now. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Guys, we have reached the Fancy Pine Cable Car station and this place is so beautiful, like so it is so unreal. And now we are going.
Let's go ahead, Bippu.
Yeah, let's go. Let's
We'll
go.
get late. What is this?
Beautiful.
Yeah, what is it?
बादल है थोड़े बादल है जैसे दिल से हसरा. Baby, बोलता क्यों नहीं कैसे?
मैं थक गया,
थक गया।
मैं फिर से थक गया।
Yeah, guys, so we are at
Cat village.
yes. So it is like an artificial village made purely for tourist purposes, and you can see the view from here. By the way, we are wearing the traditional clothes. Pretty much artificial made up place, but good for tourists, good for entertainment and photos. So, hi guys.
Hey guys, as you can see here, we are in Sapa. We are close to the famous Sapa Lake, and we can't see anything as there is no visibility. Visibility. What did it say? Visibility. There is no visibility. You understand, right? So you can see there is a lake behind me, but you
Where is the lake?
Oh,
Where is the lake?
yeah, this is a lake. This is lake, but you can't see anything as there is no visibility.
Visibility zero.
Zero visibility. This is Sapa current weather update. Uh, it is so foggy over here. Zero visibility. Okay. Okay. Bye bye.
So guys, we are at Delhi airport and finally we are having Indian food. In India, we had Indian food. In Vietnam, we are having Indian food in India. Finally, the dosa, which we really enjoyed at Ahmedabad airport when we left. Now, when we have arrived in India, we are having the same thing. So, we had a good trip, good flights. One more flight to go home.